A very nice trade here on Forex Trendy 5-minute charts. Watch the video until the end because we had an amazing day here on the Forex market. A lot of up and downs for the traders that really like action. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the 5-minute time frame here on Forex Trendy and on the Forex market in general. Before starting, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button and push the like button. So every time I start my video, I stress my viewers about the importance of having a strategy or multiple strategies. If you don't have strategies that work, you're gonna lose money over the long period. So it's very important having a strategy. Don't forget to visit my website forexexpert.net, where you will find more than 118 articles Forex related for free. So I really suggest you to visit my website. So let's start. The first trade of the day was the USD and the Swiss C. We got a triangle buy signal, break at 89.35. So during the past day, okay, the price was bouncing on this very strong support zone around 89.17, and before midnight the price started to go up, forming this very long triangle. It took all night long to form, and then at 8 a.m. 7 a.m. Europe time, we get a breakout and the price started to go up. We got a little retracement here around 23-38% at London time, okay? And then continue to climb, going up to 89.82 for a very nice profit for momentum traders, okay? And scalpers, of course. So it was a very nice trade with a very strong price action behind it, okay? We got another shoulder here, and then the price rebounding on this very strong support zone. So it's very important to check out the price action. You can use all the indicators you want, but if you don't have a clear understanding of price action, you will not make money, okay? So let's jump to the USD and the SEK. We got a flag buy signal, break at 30.76. We got very interesting trades here on the exotic pairs, but be aware that spreads are going to be much bigger than the major and the minors. So bear in mind this when you build your strategies. So we got this flag, even though it looks more like a a wedge, but okay, it doesn't really matter. We got a very strong breakout here with no retest initially because the price went up to 32.39. So if you place a buy limit, you're gonna be fine. But if you're gonna place orders manually, then you're gonna have a little problem. So I usually wait for retests next to the trend line or on the trend line, but this is not a financial advice, okay? Then you're gonna enter the market. Don't forget to place a stop loss, guys. And the price went up to 35.02, so we got a very nice huge trade, okay? A lot of pips in the bank. Let's jump to the British pound and the Swiss C. This is a classic, okay? When trading the continuation patterns, okay, these patterns are not perfect, so they have a winning rate around 60%. Then it varies on each pair, and bear in mind that you're not gonna win all the time, okay? I must be clear with my viewers because it's very, very important to stress on the importance of having strategies and stop loss. So we got this triangle buy signal. The price broke through the trend line and going up strongly up to 24.43, and then went back inside the pattern, retesting this previous level, okay, around here 24.04, and then again went up, retesting this previous high. Okay, so a nice trade. You see, when the price went back in the pattern, traders that have very, very tight stop loss are out. So this is why I always suggest you, I always advise you to have a strategy in place. If you have a very good scalping strategy, then here you're going to profit. But if you want to go for a longer ride, you need a wider stop loss. But you can do this if you backtest the market and you know where to place the stop loss. So let's jump to the USD Japan yen. This was not a good trade, only for the scalpers. We got a breakout at 106.05 and the price reached the 18 level, retesting this previous high. So this was not a huge one. For scalper it was a very good one, but for traders that look for 20-30 pips target, they are out if they have a very stop loss, a very tight stop loss. So let's jump to the OD New Zealand dollar. We have a triangle buy signal, 1777. This was a very good day here on the forex market, on Forex Trendy. Not all the days are going to be like this. So it's very important to maximize the profits and minimize losses. This is what very good traders do, and you can really achieve this by using a very good risk-reward ratio. Okay, I will make a video about this. So we got a triangle buy signal break at 0777, and the price was rebounding on this pretty strong resistance here around 0766, and it worked very good as a support. Started to go high, forming higher lows, as you can see here, and then it went up to 0792. So it was a very nice little trade here, okay, for scalpers or people that are looking for 15, 20 pips target. But the trade is still on, okay, so it's not done yet. Let's jump to the euro and the Japan yen. I think this is the perfect price action for continuation patterns. We got a sell signal break at 27.85. As you can see here on the top of the chart, we got a very nice at the shoulder. So after a nice uptrend, we got a reversal and the price started to go down, forming this triangle. This pattern is very, very long, because it formed at 3:15 a.m. And then the breakout happened at 13:40 p.m. So it takes a lot of hours to form. The longer the pattern, okay, the more reliable it is. So we got this very strong sell-off. If you are there on in front of the screen, then you got an opportunity to make a market order. So it's fine, but you can go even with sell stop. Okay. So the price went down, reaching the 27.45, 40 pips. So a very nice tradable opportunity. A lot of money made here. by Forex Trader using this Forex trading tool. Let's jump to the CAD Japan Yen. We got a rising wedge sell signal break at 83.45. This was a tricky one because the price was ranging. Okay, we got two channels here. They are not very visible, but the first one is here around 83.09 and 83.59.60. Okay, so we got a strong breakout here with a small retest, but you can see here from this candle, the green candle, that the seller pressure was pretty strong. So we got a very strong sell-off reaching the 83.07. So a nice one. More or less other 40 pips in the banks. We got a very busy day here on the Forex market using Forex Trendy. So let's jump to the Singapore dollar and the Japan yen. We got a flag sell signal break at 79.75. So this was another nice flag. Breakout at 79.75, going down to 79.59. So around 16 pips more or less. So this is, guys, as you can see from the video, it's very important to have a strategy because you have to adjust your targets, especially when you trade a 5-minute chart where the price action is so fast, and momentum is changing everything, and the price going up and down in a matter of minutes. So you know where to place your take profit in each market scenario. So it's very important. It's very important if you want to make money. Let's jump to the last trade of the day. It's still in progress because it happened like the signal was at 14:35 p.m. So we got this rising wedge. Now it's failing because we got this breakout, and the price retested the previous resistance around 0580, and then went back up inside the pattern. So let's see what happened in the future. Of course, this trade will take another a strong direction with the opening of the Asian session. Okay? So in 6 hours more or less. Bear in mind when you trade some kind of pairs that involves like pairs like yen. Bear in mind is that when the Asian session begins, then you're gonna have troubles if you don't have a specific strategy for an Asian session, because the opening is gonna be pretty strong. Okay, I was trading I don't remember, I was trading the New Zealand dollar and Japan yen one day, and I was still in position with my stop loss, and at the Asian session opening, we got a very nice huge gap opposite to the direction I was trading. Okay, so my broker closed out the trade, but bear in mind that gaps can happen very often at the opening. So this is it for this video. I hope you like it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Push the like button. If you wanna purchase Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. Subscribe to my channel. Visit my website. I have more than 120 articles for free. Okay, a lot of information to help you. I wish you good luck on the market. See you soon. Bye bye.